Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Is your car key remote need to have another one? You don't have to visit Locksmith because J.A Locksmith 24/7 services serve you wherever you need us. We are just a call away. J.A Locksmith 24/7 services offers complete and manageable and good alignment services to the following: installation, remote programming, remote retrieval, all lost remote, remote programming, and key cutting. We do also car opening, installing deadbolts and key in doorknob, safe bolt opening, drawer and cabinet opening. Our expert locksmith technicians are within arm's reach of your location across Metro Manila and other places that very affordable price and professional technician. You may call us 0908-9832-155, 0967-8823-600, or kindly visit our page and message us at J.A Locksmith 24/7 services.